In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 267. So there are 7 things that you can do to fix this. First, check your account restrictions. If you have a child account, certain games may be restricted. Go to Settings, Privacy and then Security on the Roblox website and make sure account restrictions are turned off. Next, you can check your internet connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi with strict firewalls, since these can trigger error 267. Next, update Roblox, so make sure Roblox is the latest version on the App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated version may fail to connect properly and get kicked. Next, disable a VPN or proxy. So Roblox blocks VPNs or proxies, turn them off and retry the game. Next, what you can do is clear the Roblox cache. So on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Roblox, Storage and then Clear Cache. On iOS, uninstall and reinstall the app, because iOS doesn't allow manual cache clearing. Now the 6th step is to avoid game scripts that kick. So some games have scripts that automatically kick players for reasons like exploiting or using unauthorized tools, joining without proper permissions. So make sure you are joining safe, trusted games. Finally, you can try reinstalling Roblox. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall Roblox. This resets settings and removes corrupted files that could trigger error 267. So now you know how to fix error code 267 on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.